So this is a quick video on how to make your own do-it-yourself face mask. Your fabric requirements for this project are 2 7-inch squares and 2 pieces of a 1/4 inch elastic, each 7.5 inches long. The first thing you're going to do is take a side of the square and fold down a 1/4 inch, press, and do a hem stitch. With the hem on top, you're going to pin your elastic about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom, and again 3/4 of an inch from the top, being sure not to twist the elastic. You're going to match the top fabric right sides together, sew all the way around with a 1/4 inch seam after you've pinned it together. You're going to leave the hem side open. Clip the corners and turn right side out and press. Lay the mask out in front of you, and you're going to use a chalk pencil, and you're going to make markings on each side of the fabric at 1.5, 1, 1/2, 1, 1/2, and 1 inch. You'll pinch the first marking and draw it up to the next marking, creating a fold. Pin in place. Repeat for the next pleat, pinch, fold, and pin. And one more time, pinch, fold, and pin. You will end up with 3 pleats, all 1/2 inch apart. Your final step is to top stitch down each side, and you're done. The resulting face mask has a pocket at the top, which is the other end, where if you need to, you can put in a better filter in certain instances. So that's all there is to it. Get to sewing.